Now guys, the next chapter it's about how to program your receiver, and this is a Denon s960h which is a medium to high, let's say, receiver. It's rated at high res and high grade components, and it had his problem, you know. I helped you fixing your Bluetooth to this receiver in our previous videos. You can check them out. Well, your receiver must support CAC technology. Go into the menu of your receiver now. Go into the HDMI setup. Here, activate pass-through if you want to pass through the source. For example, if you have a TV and your receiver it's off, you can pass through to your projector while it's turned off. The HDMI control turn it on, and here you have TV audio switching is for the TV's remote control. When you're using a TV, it switches to your AVR TV audio input when receiving a CAC command. Leave this power of control only to the video, do not leave it to the all, because if you are, for example, if you are using a projector and you are using your receiver with a mobile phone by Bluetooth, if you are listening to a track by Bluetooth, you don't need a projector. So if you are closing the projector will not turn off your receiver. The power saving, you can put it to on and off. I tried both versions with my 980 Ti that started my projector and the receiver. With the RTX 3080 I didn't succeed to turn on by signal my Viewsonic projector. I don't know why. And I gotta tell you that I have found a very interesting thing. When I put to a pass-through source like TV and the last, I clicked to the last. Now when I'm leaving this menu very rapidly, I don't know in what circumstances, so for example I left this menu. Now sometimes the projector automatically turned off. I don't know in what conditions. Next guys, the projector, and let's set it up. Now going to the menu and look for the HDMI CEC. Well, here activate the HDMI link. This will talk with your HDMI mode with your receiver. The HDMI receiver you saw, it had the CAC, and you will activate it there and here. And the Xbox, I have to say, it works like wonders, turning on and turning off this video projector, but it's Xbox rated. It has a collaboration with Xbox, it has a special port, you know. Watch the review for this projector Lx700. Now go ahead to the power settings, and this is the option I was talking about. The direct power one is just for when plugging into the socket wall to automatically turn on the projector. And this signal power on, well, this signal power on is the trick. When it sends, when the computer, your PC, it's sending a signal to the projector, sorry, the projector will send a signal automatically, will turn on by CAC the receiver. Guys, will be a great thing that some manufacturer will make a firmware update just to do this by CAC, because the manufacturers are considering, and they made the CAC for the TVs. The projectors, I don't know the rational thing. With your remote control of the projector, let's suppose this is the remote control, you cannot control the receiver. You know, the remote control of the video projectors, well, are just for video projectors. You cannot control the volume turning on and turning off to use like the TVs. If I had a remote control of the TVs, of course the TV had the CAC and ARC function to return sound. Of course it will turn on and turn off the TV, both the TV and the receiver, from the TV's remote control with the CAC. But for now, I hope Denon will see this, and I hope will make a firmware update, and also Viewsonic LX for the Lx700 model. For those of you who have problems, and you reported a lot of you guys that had problems with this projector being stuck into the HDR mode. I feel you.